This is a 1TB Western Digital SSD with heatsink, and I'm going to see how quickly I can fit it to this PlayStation 5. Now for this process there's just two tools that are required. One is a Phillips head screwdriver and the other is myself. So I've got a stopwatch at the ready to time myself. We've got the screwdriver at the ready. SSD is in the box. PlayStation, nothing has been removed. All the covers are on there, so I'm not cheating in any way. So I'm going to hit the start button and do this as fast as I can. So in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, removing the one screw from the cover, that's that off. Removing the one screw in here and the spacer. Move the spacer. SSD out of the box. Pushing that into place there, getting the screw that's that in. Starting to shake. And that is done. 1 minute 20 seconds. That's got to be some sort of record. Now just to confirm that it all works perfectly fine, it does say there the read speed of your M.2 SSD is as follows, and that is our new read speed. Now go into the storage and we can see that new SSD there and the free space of 1TB. Now if you'd like to see a slower and more detailed video of me fitting a 1TB Samsung SSD with separate heatsink, then I'll leave a link to that video in the description. Now if you want to pick up one of these for yourself, I'd appreciate it if you could use my Amazon affiliate link. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and a sub would be great, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.